Friends, how are you? By blessings to God, you are doing well. This is Dr. Artam Jaina, faculty member, PG Department, Business Management, Fakirmoni University, Basavar, Balasur, Odisha. Once again, I am welcoming to all of you to Dr. UB Jaina classes. Friends, today we are going to discuss some educational degrees and as well as their full form. And this discussion will be very useful not only to the student category but also from the competitive examination point of view. So friends, without delay we will start our discussion. So I will have the request to all of you, kindly you watch from beginning to till end and you will know more and more, and during the discussion if any mismatch or gap you will find, kindly you give your valuable idea and suggestion and comments in the comment section. So far as your idea, suggestion and comments are most welcome for the next video. Friends, without delay we will start our discussion. Friends, in this video we will discuss the 45 educational degree and their full form. So first one is HSC. HSC full form is Higher Secondary Certificate. HSSC Higher Secondary School Certificate. Then UG, undergraduate, UG undergraduate, PG postgraduate. PG stands for postgraduate. IA, it stands for Intermediate of Arts. IA, Intermediate of Arts. ICOM, Intermediate of Commerce. ICOM, Intermediate of Commerce. Then ISC, Intermediate of Science. Intermediate of Science. So next, BA, it's a Bachelor of Arts. BCom, Bachelor of Commerce. BSc, Bachelor of Science. Then MA, Master of Arts. MA, Master of Arts. MCom, Master of Commerce. MSc, Master of Science. Next, DCA, it stands for Diploma in Computer Application. DCA, Diploma in Computer Application. Then PGDCA, Postgraduate Diploma in Computer Application. Then BCA, it's a Bachelor of Computer Application. BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application. Next, MCA, Master of Computer Application. MCA, Master of Computer Application. Then BBA, it's a Bachelor of Business Administration. BBA, it's a Bachelor of Business Administration. Then MBA, Master of Business Administration. Then PGDM, it stands for Postgraduate Diploma in Management. PGDM, it's a Postgraduate Diploma in Management. Then BHM, it's a Bachelor of Hotel Management. It's a Bachelor of Hotel Management. Then BAC, it's a the Bachelor of Software Engineering. Not it's the Bombay Stock Exchange. BTech, it's the Bachelor of Technology. BTech, it's the Bachelor of Technology. MTech, it's a Master of Technology. MTech, it's a Master of Technology. Then BE, it's the Bachelor of Engineering. BE, it's a Bachelor of Engineering. Next, then BSc AG, it's a Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. BSc AG, it's a Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. Then MSc AG, it's a Master of Science in Agriculture. Then BSW, it's a Bachelor of Social Work. BSW, it's a Bachelor of Social Work. Then MSW, it's a Master of Social Work. Then MBBS, it's a Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. Then MD, it's a Doctor of Medicine. MD, it's a Doctor of Medicine. Then MS, it's a Master of Surgery. Then B Pharma, it's a Bachelor of Pharmacy. B Pharma, it's a Bachelor of Pharmacy. Then BDS, it's a Bachelor of Dental Surgery. Then BVSC, it's the Bachelor of Veterinary Science. It's a BVSC, it's the Bachelor of Veterinary Science. So next, it's a BHMS, it's a Bachelor of Homeopathy, Medicine and Surgery. BHMS, it's a Bachelor of Homeopathy, Medicine and Surgery. Then LLB, it's a Bachelor of Law. LLB, Bachelor of Law. Then LLM, it's a Master of Law. LLM, it's a Master of Law. Next, it's a PGT, it's a postgraduate teacher. PGT, it's a postgraduate teacher. Then TGT, it's a trained graduate teacher. TGT, it's a trained graduate teacher. Then BD, it's a Bachelor of Education. Then MED, it's Master of Education. MED, it's a Master of Education. Then MPhil degree, it's a Master of Philosophy. PhD, it's the Doctor of Philosophy. PhD, it's the Doctor of Philosophy. Then DLit, it's a Doctor of Literature. DLit, it's a Doctor of Literature. Then DSc, Doctor of Science. DLit, it's a Doctor of Science. So these are all about 40 important the educational degree and their full form, friends. So I will have the request to all of you, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly you subscribe it, and kindly you forward it, kindly you share it, and I am waiting your valuable comments and suggestions. And during the discussion, if in a mismatch or gap you will find, kindly you give your comment in the comment section. And your valuable comments and suggestions are most welcome for the next video. So once again, thanks to all of you.